Because John is thinking that you can be trusted, but you're not. In the middle of your live stream, you destroy on John. In what way? You telling is what in a conversation. The conversation is a private, not in public, but you bring in public. You have a lot of drama, Lauro. John is awareness with you. He's aware with you. Because you're untrustable person. Being a friend, whatever conversation that you had in that one, you don't need to tell that in social media, especially in the live stream. But you broke with it. Your awareness. John is awareness with your behavior. That John is not trust on you. Because your anger is cannot be managed. Think about that, Laro. I have a record here now that you said that, John told me that he blocked on you, Princess. John told me that about on you. I have a record here.